Hey everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will create pop-up using JavaScript. So let's start. First of all, I will declare two variables, model and btn, using the constant keyword. And I will use document.querySelector method to select elements from HTML document based on provided CSS selectors. Constant model document.getQuerySelector query selector class is model. I will add event listener to btn element. It listens for a click event and calls the open model function when event occurs. Add event listener, click open model. I will add another event listener to element model. It listens for a click event and executes an arrow function when the event occurs. Model dot add event listener, click constant evt equals e dot target dot class list. I will then check if clicked element has a class of model or close, and if it does, the close model function is closed. If evt dot contains model class or close class. Now I will define open model function. It will take an event object E as its parameter. Function open model E dot prevent default. The E dot prevent default is called to prevent the default behavior of the button click event. Then the model element display style property is set to block. Model dot style dot display block. At the end, I will define close model function. It doesn't take any parameters. The model element display style property. It is set to none, hiding the model. Function close model. Model dot style dot display. That's it from JavaScript coding. Let's check on front end. As you can see, pop-up is working. That's it from today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.